All right, this is the second part of Winds Through Time from measure 84 to the end. I just needed to adjust my pages, and in doing that, I thought it might be good just to do it in a second video. So here we go, 84 to the end, and we stick to this eighth note tempo, sometimes 12/8, sometimes 9/8. 84, 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. Think it slows down. 1, 2, 122. 1 and 2. And last note, an E and a C sharp. So E and change both.